German engineering meets sustainable water supply. Discover how Vulcan is transforming water treatment in municipal waterworks. Hamel Vanwerk in Denmark has been supplying clean water since 1908 and is committed to providing reliable water for its community. To improve water quality, the waterworks needed a solution for limescale. Limescale was affecting pumps, pipes, and equipment, increasing maintenance requirements and the use of cleaning chemicals. The solution: Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits. The eco-friendly Vulcan technology works without salt, chemicals, or magnetism, protecting the equipment and environment. The waterworks installed 2 Vulcan S25, 2 Vulcan S100, and 1 Vulcan S250 across its water supply system. The results were impressive. The installations now have a longer lifespan, require less maintenance and less replacements, while citizens benefit from reduced use of cleaning agents and less time spent cleaning their water systems. Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Please contact us for a free Vulcan trial unit at cwt-vulcan.com.